Hi, fourth graders. So we are going to do a funky reindeer. What you'll need is your supply bag. You had your reindeer drawing outline. You get to pick one of these funky reindeer glasses and a gray construction paper. Additional things that you need are some scissors, and you can see I have some colored pencils here that will become after you do your designs. I actually am going to use a black marker to do my design so you can see it better, but this is all based on your creativity and imagination. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through. You do have example designs on the slides that follow this video, so you can go ahead and look at those after the video and see also what I do in mine. Just have fun with it. It does take some time, but it's supposed to be like a relaxing kind of thing. The actual word for this is a zendangle. And just to make it even more exciting, you can try to do a different one in every single line. Try it out. I'm going to go ahead and do my design. We'll zip through and I'll show you when I'm finished. All right, and there we go. The designs are done. Now you can have fun coloring however you choose to do so. My designs are quite small, so I have a lot of coloring to do. I'm going to leave it here, and then when we come back, I'll show my completed project. Have fun and be creative. I love to see your funky reindeer. Show me what you got. All right, fabulous fourth graders. You can see that I have now colored my funky reindeer. I also cut it out. My color of paper is actually brown, but you have a gray that is included in your supply bag. And you have a set of different types of glasses that I just decided to pick the round ones. And you are going to cut it out, place it in the middle of your gray paper, use your glue stick to go ahead and glue it down, and place your glasses to make it even more funky. So I hope you had fun. It was actually quite relaxing for me to take the time to color it. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. See you tomorrow.